In the heart of our manufacturing industries, a challenge looms large. Traditional methods falter as the demand for customized products grows, revealing a critical need for a new era of flexibility and efficiency. Imagine a future where these challenges are not just met but overcome. COROB aims to revolutionize manufacturing with a flexible, cooperative, and intelligent multi-robotic solution. By integrating advanced inspection, monitoring, control, and AI techniques, COROB transforms industrial processes, enhancing efficiency while reducing time, cost, energy, and resource consumption. As part of the Horizon Europe program, COROB kickstart in October 2023 with the aim of leveraging a sophisticated data acquisition platform, turning vast amounts of data into actionable insights for optimizing manufacturing operations. Consider the first of COROB's groundbreaking use cases, multi-robot cooperative welding. Here, traditional jigs are replaced with a dynamic, cooperative multi-robot system. Two manipulators precisely position workpieces, seamlessly integrating with a welding robot for unmatched flexibility and efficiency. In our second use case, COROB tackles tooling repair using a multi-robot cell with WAM technology. This 8DOF system, enhanced by a 2DOF rotary table and an auxiliary robot, repairs complex geometries, integrating 3D scanning and other cutting-edge technologies for comprehensive tool refurbishment. Through these use cases, COROB not only demonstrates its technological prowess but also its strategic approach to addressing the manufacturing industry's most pressing challenges. As we forge ahead, COROB stands as a testament to the transformative power of cooperative robotics and AI, leading in a new era of manufacturing that is smarter, more sustainable, and infinitely adaptable.